Hello beautiful people, it's your favorite girl Chini Moyala. I'm here again today to unbox a bicycle that we bought for our daughter. Yeah, so I hope you guys watch this, and like, share, subscribe. I did not forget to turn on the notification bell. All right, let's get into this, please. I'm not a professional, but I have to do it. In this society, it's a do-it-yourself society. You just have to get it done. So this is the bicycle. Yay! I know she's gonna enjoy it. So let's get into the unboxing. So it has a seat. Okay, and this pedals. And this is the tires. I think this is the overhead. We'll find out. Okay, I don't know what all this is. More tires. More. Yep. Oh, my goodness. So it came with this instrument to use and fix it. It came with some instructions, and believe you me, this is mathematics, and this America, you have to do everything by yourself. So let me get it done so that when my baby girl wakes up, she gets to enjoy her bike. So we got this lever. I think this is the whole base of the bike, and this is the little cart that she's gonna have at the back. So it has a hole here and it has this opening here. So you fix it and make sure it sits in, and this openings here has to go in onto this here. So there's also a hole in this place, and there's a hole here too as well. There's a hole here too as well. So these two should match this way, and you fix it to go into this place and snap it close. Yep, good. Then I have to get this pin here and fix it into that little hole, screw it tight. So now I'm going to have to fix these tires. I fixed the tires. I'm going to have to put the tires through this hole here. Make sure it fits. Then I put the other tires into this place. And it has to come out through this place. Then I use one of the nuts. I use one of the nuts that was kept for it and screw it over here. Make sure it's tight. Whew. So after hitting it, getting it down, you have to go in with this covers, insert it into it. Make sure it snaps closed. So the covers has this two mounts, and this has holes inside that has to go into it. You put it in and make sure it snaps. You see? Perfect. Then on this we have to go into this. I have to get this off this protective gear. With this, see, the inside is this way, so we have to make sure that this part is going to face the tires. Just let me do it and show you. So it has to go in this way. It's coming on pretty well. Then we get this that we fixed already and fix it in. There is a hole here. There's this hole here. We just have to put this in from here, making sure that this is this way. We're getting close. This is how it's looking so far. Yummy mommy got this. Okay. This is all good. So it's time for this part, the handle and this cup thingy that's gonna go here. We unwrap it. We're taking off this protective gear. So this cup in, you fix this one, you put this one in here, and you make sure it. So this is the chairs, and it has these 2 screws, so I'm going to have to fix this here. The seat belt has been fixed and brought forward. Then we have to fix this on the holes on this place. There are holes here, so you choose within which one you prefer. So I'm going to fix this here and all. I'm back again. Today's the next day. A lot of things happened, so I couldn't complete it yesterday. Yesterday. So today we're gonna fix it up and finish. Though I meant to put batteries here, but I don't have any batteries at home, so I'll fix that later. So this, you have to make sure that this hole here, this goes into this. This way. Then this place has to enter here. That's it. That's what it's going to be called. The extension for the seat belts. And it has an opening at the back that has this holes to clutch it in. So we have to put it in between the hole here, in between this space. Put it in. Make sure you get it and screw it all together. So over to the cover, and they have to bring down this. It's actually this way, so bring down this secure hold on the both ends. Then it has this latch in between, so you just have to make sure it corresponds with this. So you put it. Let me fix this one first. I hope my baby girl, though this is for 1 year to 5 years. So this is going to go into this hole. Make sure that this goes into this. Put it in. So open. So this is part of the handle, and It has some instructions on the body where you can take it this, roll it this way is locked, roll it this way is open. So let's see. Once you roll it, it gets tight. So you secure it when you're pushing your child and you loosen it up. So I'm going to loosen. You have to push this in with your thumb while inserting it into this place. So there's this little stuff protruding here. It should fit into this straight lines or hole. So I just press it down, get it in. So this is done. I fixed it here, and notes about this, there's still this holes here, this straight line hole, and this holes that came out through. And let me use the camera to show you. So this has to go into this hole, and it has this to use in holding the handle, latching it onto it, and this pin has to go through that hole in the handle. So let's see how we're going to fix it. So we have to put this, wow, you force it in, then we're going to fix this here and make sure that this hole enters into the hole that comes out. So it's latched onto it. It's not going to move. It's tight. You see? Very tight. So our little angels are secured. So for the front tires, in order for you to be able to push your child with the handle, you have to open up this place so that you can be able to fix this. But if your child is just going to pedal by herself or himself, they can leave it this way. But if the child can't pedal yet and is still learning, maybe for like a 1-year-old, and you want to do this, you have to open up this place. And let me show you how to do that. So just get something like this and try to get it in. Open it. Be careful. So once you do this, you can fix it back, and it opens it up, and you can now cover it back. So here is open. Then you get this, facing it this way, you put it on here. This should affix itself to all these hinges over here. Click. 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 So this is the way it's going to be. Then you can push your child with the pedal, with the parental pedal at the back, and your child foot just rests on this place. So this is the bicycle. So this is how it's going to be like. This is the adult's supervision. This is the way it is. So you can push your child to and fro. Then this is the cover from rain or from sun, and this is their mini carry-on and all that. You can remove it, and it also has the seat belt for those that are still not strong enough, that don't have a good balance. So you latch on, and all their little cup holder, the music station and PlayStation, the handles, the footrest. You can also remove this if and when the child is old enough to start pedaling by itself. Whew. I'm pleased with myself. So, as usual, I hope this helps someone out there to be able to fix this for their child. And if you've watched up to this hour, to this minute, thank you. Please do not forget to like, to share, to comment, and to subscribe. And like I promised, I'll keep bringing back-to-back contents for you. So have a good day. This mommy here is tired. I can't wait for my daughter to wake up in the morning and see this. Her smile alone will really gladden my heart. Thank you for watching, and please do come back for more content. Have a good night. It's night here. Have a good night rest. Bye.